प्री स्कूल की रसोई में आपका स्वागत है।
As students, you have learnt about kitchen etiquettes and kitchen tools. So today we are going to prepare a dish. Today's dish is bread samosa. So let's quickly have a look on the ingredients. I have taken a slice of bread for making samosas, and for stuffing I have taken boiled potato, peas and some common spices. I have prepared the stuffing by frying the potato and peas because I like the fried stuffing. So let's make it. First, we will take the slice of bread. We will remove the edges very carefully. जो आपको ये डार्क ब्राउन पार्ट है, इसको बहुत ध्यान से, बहुत केयरफुली यू हैव टू रिमूव इट. Now we have to roll it. You have learnt about this. It is rolling pin. So with the help of some water, I will sprinkle some water on it and roll it very carefully. You have to take fresh slice of bread. Do take care of this. Just we will sprinkle water on the edges and
बच्चों, इसमें हमने ब्राउन ब्रेड लिया है। अगर आप चाहें तो आप वाइट ब्रेड भी ले सकते हैं।
Brown bread is good for health.
Yes.
So that's why I have used brown bread here. You have to roll it carefully. Okay, now we will take a knife and we will cut it very gently. Now I will take the stuffing. Here you can see I have taken some white flour, that is maida. Now I will add on some water in it and will make a thick paste. Now I will mix the water in it. We have to keep the consistency thick of this batter. With this batter, we are going to join our edges. You can use only water for joining it also.
बच्चों, आप पानी से भी इसे चिपका सकते हैं, लेकिन इस मैदे के घोल से आप उसे प्रॉपर तरीके से चिपका सकते हैं, जिससे वो तलते समय कढ़ाई में खुलेगा नहीं.
Yes, we have to take care that our edges are sealed properly. Otherwise, what will happen? A samosa will open, the triangular samosa will open and all the stuffing will come out in a pan. Just beat it carefully. Some more water. Just make a thick paste. I have added a pinch of salt in it. Now, as we have to deep fry the samosa, so we will turn on our gas because we have to heat our oil. Now, let's make the samosa. We will fold it from here and on the edges we will put this batter very gently and carefully to seal it up. we have to check that all the corners are sealed properly. Now here's a pocket. In this pocket we will put masala of samosa. We don't have to overfill it. We have to press it gently with our hands. Now this part we have to keep empty. Now we will take again this batter to seal the corners. Very gently you have to press it, and you can remove the extra with the help of tissue. You can remove it. Do take care the corners are sealed properly. Only that thing you have to take care. I have prepared all the samosas with the same process.
Now we will fry these samosas in hot oil.
Oil is ready to fry. Very carefully we have to put all these samosas in the oil. It is not compulsory that you have to put all the samosas at one time. We have to take care of the space also. Ma'am, just enough. Very carefully we will fry these samosas, and it will take very less time for frying. As you can see. Now as we can see, the color of our samosas is changing into golden brown. Now when it is golden brown from one side, we will flip the samosas very carefully. We have to take care that our edges are not opened while frying. So our plate of samosas is ready to serve. The crispy samosas, delicious samosas, ready to serve with ketchup and green chutney. Just taste it, enjoy it, share it with your family. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. So in the next class we will meet with the new recipe. Bye bye everyone.